Okay, so we've got basically an obstacle course set up. This is our first test. This is our acceleration and deceleration test. We're basically gonna start the machine down on the goal line, and basically we're gonna go full throttle from the goal line to the blue line. Once we hit the blue line, we're gonna go full hand off the stick and just let the machine slide. And then we'll measure the difference in sliding between our tire and a set of pneumatics. 1800 on the nose. Okay. Good. And off. All right, 1800, 1799, 1800, perfect. All right, ready? Okay, we're at 2150, which is about 3/4 throttle. Kind of where most guys are going to operate a machine anyways. Let's do it again. Okay, rolling and forward. All right, let's get out and check our results. Okay, so basically we started at the end. We did 2 tests at 2 different speeds, 1800 RPM and then 2150. And basically went full throttle from the goal line to the blue line, let all the way off at the blue line, and then these are our 2 stopping distances. So like really consistent on the first test, we basically did 2 in the same at 1800 RPM, 67 inches. From the blue line to the farthest point. And then at 2150, we're 137 to the farthest point, so just over 11 feet. So that's half throttle and 3/4 throttle, getting speed up. Let's go take a look at the acceleration. So on the first run, that's these marks here. These are about 2 or 3 inches long, maybe 2.5 inches. And then this is from the next run, and they're about 2.5 inches long. So like the tire was able to grab really quick and get onto acceleration. Acceleration was really quick, and then stopping was, I think, pretty decent, but let's put some pneumatics on and we'll compare head to head in the next test. But I'm pretty happy with this so far. So let's run the next test and see where we're at. Okay, run number 2, 1800. Time in 1800. Okay, we're at 2150. We're gonna do this again. Ooh, fuck. Straight line. Run number 2. Okay, so we just repeated the test with the pneumatic tires. We just did the 2150 RPM test, basically same stopping at the blue line. You can see where our tire stopped. This would be the front tire, so center on center, we're about 3 feet. The pneumatics went about 3 feet farther in a slide than ours did with our snow tire set up. So from the blue line, basically 180 inches to the front of the tire. And over there we were 137. but we're about 180 inches from the blue line where we stopped accelerating to stopping point at the 2150 RPM. 1800 RPM was a lot closer. I didn't get that measurement. At higher speeds, obviously you have less stopping power with a set of pneumatics versus our snow and ice tire. Check out our EWRS-SNOW series. I'm Derek Kerr with Evolution Wheel. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're always here to help.